وَمَا مُنَاسَبَةُ حَمْدِ اللَّهِ بَعْدَ الْعُطَاسِ. The Shaykh poses a question here. Then what is the relationship between the praise of Allah and the sneezing? He says, ذَكَرْنَا أَنَّ الْعُطَاسَ نِعْمَةٌ مِنَ اللَّهِ عَزَّ وَجَلَّ. We've already mentioned that sneezing is a blessing from Allah the Mighty and Majestic. لِخُرُوجِ الْعَارَضِ الْغَرِيبِ الَّذِي سَبَّبَ الْعُطَاسَ. Due to the expelling of the foreign body that caused the sneezing. فَهَذِهِ نِعْمَةٌ مِنَ اللَّهِ يُحْمَدُ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهَا. This is a blessing from Allah, and therefore Allah is to be praised because of it. فَيَقُولُ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ. So then he says, Alhamdu lillah, praise is due to Allah. فَإِذَا قَالَ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ تُشَمِّتُهُ بِقَوْلِكَ يَرْحَمُكَ اللَّهِ. So when a person says Alhamdulillah, then you do the tashmeet for him by saying to him, may Allah have mercy on you, يَرْحَمُكَ اللَّهِ. ثُمَّ هُوَ يَرُدُّ وَيَقُولُ. And then he responds back, the third interaction in this series of statements, and he says, يَهْدِيكُمُ اللَّهُ وَيُصْلِحُ بَالَكُمْ. And he says, may Allah guide you and correct your affair. And that is from a narration in Sahih al-Bukhari from the report of Abu Hurairah. مَا أَطْيَبَ هَذِهِ الْكَلِمَاتِ. How beautiful, how nice are these words. وَمَا أَحْسَنَهَا. And how nice, how proper they are, how beautiful they are. وَإِذَا عَطَسَ فَشَمِّتْهُ. The right of a brother over his brother when he sneezes you, make the tashmeet supplication for him saying, يَرْحَمُكَ اللَّهُ.